1 minute left. Looks like it's ready. Looks pretty good. Like in 8 minutes. It cooked. Looks crispy. So,
What are you doing, Mommy?
spatula to take it out. So after a couple minutes, it's not that hot anymore. It's tolerable, so I took it out like this. Here's my fries ready. I did put only 7 chicken nuggets because it's only for one kid. He eats usually only 5 of them. Let me put 400, and I just only like 7 of them. I'd go only like 8 minutes. Let's try for 8 minutes. I do have only like 7 of them, and they're already fully cooked. One, it was just frozen, so I took it out to check if they cooked well, and it does look they really cooked well already, and they look good. So I'll turn it off, and it's ready in 4 minutes. 7 fully cooked frozen nuggets in 4 minutes. So after using 3 times after purchasing, I do have only one concern so far. That is, you see, this rack is like this, so you have to take it off like this, and it's not a basket like other air fryers, so you cannot take it out always, so you have to take one by one, or you have to use a spatula or something to grab.
Excuse me, follow me.